am Squirrel. Today I'm going to be talking about inventions. Well, in these words, now look around you. Like the light bulbs are on. Well, where did we get that? Did nature give us that? No, those are man-made things. But who gets those ideas? Peoples like Aston, right? No, yeah. Things like that. But let's just say, when those people have new ideas to create things, like people created the light bulbs, then that is called an invention. If that kind of invention is incredible, it is helpful, and it is successful, then that invention is turned into a thing, not an invention anymore. Okay? Okay, so let's look at different kinds of inventions around us. People can't. Different kinds of peoples can be inventions. It's not just kind of like really popular people can have inventions. Those can be inventions that are common. Those can be inventions that is just helpful for different kinds of ages. Um, So let's look around us and discover how to invent something. Now look at this pen. I have this pen. I can click on this and I can write down what I want with the ink, and when I press on this, then whoop, the ink has been inside the pen. But why did that happen? People invent them. People discover those kinds of things to harm the pen. When the pens get up like this, those when you look at these pieces, if you have a pen like this, you can look at it clearer. On the top, there's that gray part, and when we have this one and we press it, and those have been kind of like pressed so that it makes that shape and it stays there. Okay? And the reason why that happens, why can we close the pen, is you can see that there's a part there, and when the holder on this chop on this, it goes up, and that's all. That's pretty easy, right? Okay, so now I'm going to give you some kinds of things here now. Let's try to invent our own thing. It's just as my. You don't have to get out of your things. You need to brainstorm it right now. So we have known what is an inventions, some examples of some inventions. Now let's go and make our own things. I would name my thing as sweet chips. Okay, so I need to do a lot of things to finish my sweet chips. That's really easy. Usually you can see the chips being salty, but now I'm going to add in some sugar, shake them up to make the sweet chip. That's easy, right? Now it's your turn to do it. Pause the video, I gave you some second, you do it. Maybe if you need, you can have 1 minute or 2 minutes. You can just stop the video. Okay, so that you finish. Now let's challenge myself. I have challenged you, and now it's time for me to challenge myself. So, a Barbie doll. It's really easy, but let's just think. First, I would mix those kinds of silk into a shape of cylinder like this, and I'm going to wear it on the Barbie. Then I'm going to take a bow and tie it down and its belly so it makes into a nice dress. I can add 2 strings here to make it modern. I can also add in some decorations like some watches, and there we go, a nice Barbie's comes. Now it's your turn. I'll give you 1 minute. Go. Okay, so that you finish. If you did, pause the video. Okay? Are you okay with your inventions? That maybe would be a great idea. Let's try to decorate something else. I made a flower case. Well, now I need to have 3 sticks. I'm going to put it together on. Then I'm going to paint it, and then I'm going to put in flowers. Then I'm going to put on a kind of sticky notes and put on the land on the floor, and there you go. I have a nice flower face. Or maybe I can put it on my table. Or maybe, yes, I can put it anywhere. So having your own invention was really fun, right? Also, did you ever think that inventions are really important to your life? If people didn't invent things like devices, light bulbs, electricity, we can't talk to each other. We can't get modern things like this. So inventions are really important, right? See you next time.